Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. We are still shouting about the 5,000 subs. Woohoo! 5,000 subs, guys. Yeah, we got there. We're not stopping there, but we've got to 5,000. Me and the editor are very happy. So thank you to everyone who has supported the channel over the last couple of years or so, guys. Yeah, much appreciated. We are there. Let me bring up the live chat. Let me see what's who is in the house. We're also, guys, we're going to look at some of the news that's just come out. We'll take a look at building permits, I believe it was. We'll look at the reaction to the market there. I'll show you a trade that I'm currently in. I'm in two trades currently. So we'll take a look at both of them. And we'll take all of your questions, guys. Yeah, so that is the plan. And before I start, I'm going to say again, we have hit 5,000 subs. So thank you to everyone who has made that possible. And that's you guys for watching the channel, supporting the channel. Merci beaucoup, Dankeschön, Shukran, Mercy, wherever you are in the world. And as a thank you, guys, we are going to give 50% off our yearly VIP Discord. So that's 50% off our yearly VIP Discord, guys. And this ends Saturday. All right. So you've got this week, guys, to get the deal. It ends Saturday. Come join us in the VIP Discord. We've got loads of cool things. I'll tell you more about the VIP Discord later. Right. Let's see who is in the house. Brett, how are you, mate? Haven't seen you for ages. Who else have we got? Liquid H, how are you? CJ, the I'm going to say the best yet worst driver in the history of driving, and Collegiero, the Luxembourgish person. I sometimes I don't know people's, if they're by their names. I don't know if male or female, so I say person. Don't want to offend anyone. So there you go, guys. 5,000 subs. I'm going to say it one more time. Who else have we got in? We've got Carlos. Hello, Carlos. Renewable Nat. Renewable Nat has become the master of the analysis challenge. He is like Mr. Miyagi of the analysis challenge. Greg, how are you, mate? Colin, party time. We should just have a party, one live stream. Saman, how are you? Nico, congrats on the 5,000. I joined a few weeks ago and have been enjoying your daily vids. Thank you, Nico. Much appreciated. Michael, hi, how are you? Dite Bogo, which means gratitude, if I remember rightly. See, I do remember. Mikhail, Hamed, Kaler, Mail. Okay, good. Andy. Hi, guys. So I got into this trade earlier. I'm in Euro Pound. If we look at let's look at the date. Let's start with the weekly, guys. Let's not mess around. Let's start with the weekly. This is where I'm at. The weekly chart is in an uptrend. All right. I'm going to show you how simple, I was going to say my thinking is. I'm not simple, but I'm going to show you how simple I look at the charts. How simply, hence the name, Simply Forex. See what we did there. This is how simply I look at the charts, right? Euro is in an uptrend on the weekly chart. This candle broke these highs. All right. And we have a bullish candle. Yeah. I want to buy it. Okay. I go down to the day chart. Yeah. The day chart. Yeah. Was in a downtrend, but is now in an uptrend. Okay. So it's in an uptrend and we've had a very bullish candle form yesterday. I want to buy it. So I buy it. There you go, guys. That's trading. See you next week. No, I'm only joking, but you get the idea, guys. Keep things simple. Yeah. What's the trend? Yeah. Are the candlesticks telling me to buy it? Is there a bit of value? There is, that's a good question here. The value. Yeah. Because if we buy, if we start buying here, we don't have much room to go into. I mean, the real The real value would have been buying down here. Okay, maybe some of you did, you know, nice trade. But yeah, there's still a bit of room to move into. And also, it's literally the start of a weekly trend. Yeah, so bear that in mind, guys. This is that last weekly low. If this was the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart. All right, so it's literally just the start of an uptrend. So, you know, I like all of these things. But yeah, you could argue, you know, a little bit, you know, we can have a bit better value here. But other than that, you know, it's a nice trade. And where did I enter? So I entered on a break of this. Yeah. Saw this, guys, got a break. I entered. Okay. I've put my stop below here. And this trade, guess where I put it? I put it in the VIP Discord, guys. And to celebrate, you know, 5,000 subs, we are giving 50% off our yearly VIP Discord, guys. And that's where I put all my trades. This is where I've put this trade. The target is just back up to these highs, guys. Yeah, we're just trying to take price, you know, back up to these daily highs. All right, here I will close 80%. Yeah, you can close 70, 92.5, whatever floats your boat. I would suggest taking some profit and then let some profit run. All right, so that's the idea, guys. So we're in euro pound, and that's a new trade for today. And I'm still in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And I've been in this for 12 years now. You know, I've been entering all the way over here. Where was it? Yeah, over here. I've entered from down here. Entered here. Yeah, taken profit at some points. But yeah, I'm still in this trade, guys. And on the H4, you know, it was looking very good. But why is Canadian dollar starting to get some strength? Well, look at oil. Yeah, so we've had a bit of a push up of oil. So yeah, that you know, something to keep an eye on. If we go back to Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, you know, we will see how this H4 candle finishes. Yeah, it hasn't. We've still got 51 minutes. Okay, so we shall see, you know, where this ends up. But everything is telling us to stick with this trade. Maybe it does this and then comes down, or maybe it just comes down. All right, but you know, we still like CAD Yen, and we've been in this, yeah, since last Christmas. I'm only not that long. All right, and that's where we are with the trades, guys. They're the trades that I am in, and I put all of these trades in the VIP Discord. Right, let's have a look, see who else is in. Duke Stallion, also love this name, Duke Stallion. Brett, hi all, show the love, hit the like and subscribe button. Yes, thank you very much, Brett. Guys, if you enjoy the live stream, you enjoy my trade ideas, I give them to you every day, then why not come subscribe to the channel, guys? Yeah, subscribe right now, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the channel and supports everything. Nature, the world, I don't know where I'm going with that. Cop Prod, how are you? Hope you're having a nice day. I am. Mikhail has scalped Canadian Japanese yen by earlier. You bought early, Mikhail. Okay, interesting. CJ, I was looking at pound Canadian dollar, pound New Zealand buys. What's your take, Tom? Okay, so CJ, the best, worst driver in the world. I hope that's the right CJ. Otherwise, this CJ is going to be thinking, what the hell is he talking about? But let's take a look at him. Yeah, pound CAD. This was a trade idea, but it's breaking down. Yeah, this was a nice trade idea a couple of days ago. So, yeah, if I went back in time, yeah, like that, like magic, yeah, trade idea. Yeah, we've literally, this broke these highs. Yeah, you know, we're seeing this, guys. We were seeing this. We were seeing potentially a downtrend, but now we're shot back up and we got higher highs. So yeah, a couple of days ago, it was a trade idea to take it back up to here. But fast forward one day, you know, and we got quite a bearish reaction, okay, with this candle. But we're still in an uptrend. You know, I always look at the moving average 20. Yeah, if this comes here, this could be a nice entry somewhere in here. All right, let's look down to the H4 now. The only problem with the H4 is it's breaking down. Yeah, you know, it's breaking down, and we also, which you must bear in mind, is we've got the Canadian dollar interest rate decision. All right, in a couple of hours. So, you know, tricky. If I'm going to buy this, I want to see a wick on this H4 candle, something like this, that closes back in here. If I see a wick like that closes back in here, then I think potentially we have a trade here. Okay. But if H4 keeps breaking down, yeah, then yeah, if we break these lows and it stays broken, I'm not keen on buying pound Canadian dollar for those reasons. Yeah, we're starting to see lower highs and then we would have lower lows. So yeah, we need to see what happens with this H4 candle. And obviously, guys, we've got CAD news. So what was the other one? Pound New Zealand dollar. Let's have a look. Pound New Zealand dollar. Where are we? Here we are. Yeah, let's start with the weekly chart. Okay, and we've bounced off a nice level here with the weekly chart, but we do find ourselves at this weekly moving average 20. All right, and there is a bit of resistance here. Okay, but last week's candle is super duper bullish. Yeah, that is a trading technical term, super duper bullish. And then if we go to the day chart, you know, everything is pointing to a buy, really. Yeah, you know, we come down, we broke this level. You know, as soon as we broke these highs, we're in an uptrend. But again, guys, there is this level through here, yeah, where price, I know it broke it, but then, yeah, if I zoom in, price quickly broke back down and back below this gray zone. So it's a tricky one at the moment, yeah, because we're in an uptrend, but look at the bearishness of that candle. Yeah, that would suggest we have a bit more room to the downside, yeah, before we potentially come back up. Okay, so we'll see what happens today. To me, today is not a trade, yeah, because of this bearish candle. If anything, this would suggest we've got room to the downside. Let's look at the lower time frames to see if that tells us this. And it's about this level. All right. If, you know, if price breaks this level, yeah, let's say price does this, yeah, then I think we've got room to the downside. Yeah, and we've started to make lower highs on the H4. So if we see that price action, we can take it lower. Whereas, again, it will be interesting to see what this H4 candle does. If this remains like this, quite bullish, yeah, I think potentially we can come back up to these highs. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens with this H4 candle. And if we look at the H1, just looking at the H4, I know we've had a structure break to the upside. Yeah, there you go. All right, so price has come down. Yeah, let's include that. And then you can see price was creating this level here. Yeah, it was also getting higher lows. Always a red flag, guys. If you're in a downtrend, yeah, and you start seeing price action like this, okay, and you're here, yeah, we are still in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, but are we making higher lows? And if we are, that is a bit of a red flag that this level is going to break. All right. And sure enough, it's broken. Okay. Whether it bounces off here and comes up, we shall see. If it doesn't bounce off and sort of closes back in here, then I'm not interested in buying pound New Zealand. But if we get a bounce off here for the next 43 minutes or so, we've got a potential trade here. So yeah, there you go, CJ. I hope that helps. Right, Daniel, could we take a look at Euro New Zealand? Yeah, we can take a look at that. It's only £10. I'm only joking. Sadia, your sense of humor is lit. Lit. I like this. Is lit good? I hope. I'm going to take it as a compliment. Lit could be an insult, but I think lit is good. Hamid, New Zealand US dollar. Okay, we can take a look at that. Okay, so all right, so you want to look at a couple of New Zealand pairs. Let's start with New Zealand US dollar, and then we'll move to Euro New Zealand. It was a compliment. Thank you, Sadia. I will pay you later. Okay, so let's look at a couple of New Zealand pairs, guys. Before I do, let me just drink some vodka. Every good trader should have it next to him. So first of all, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, why the hell not? Come and subscribe. We'd love to have you. I give you my trade ideas, my analysis every day. Secondly, guys, please smash the like button. Yeah. It helps support the vid. Next, guys, I also want to mention we do a free Discord channel. Okay, it's totally free. So again, why the hell have you not joined it? We've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got indicators, psychology. We've got useful links. We've got books. I could go on and on. We've got loads of cool stuff in there, guys, and it is free. Okay, the link is in the live chat and the video description. Next, guys, we do have a VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this. Okay, but currently, because we have hit 5,000 subs, woohoo, we are going to give 50% off. So that's 50% off our yearly VIP membership. Okay, it's a bargain, guys. What is in the VIP Discord? So I give you my, so basically you have access to me. Yeah, you can ask me questions throughout the trading day, and I can help you out with whatever you need answering. Secondly, I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right. So the Euro pound trade earlier on, I put that in the VIP Discord earlier. Also, we have two other traders sharing their trade ideas, two other expert traders sharing their ideas. I give you exclusive content every week. We have access to a performance coach should you require it. And we're also test driving a new strategy as well, guys. So there's loads of value in the new in the VIP Discord, and you get 50% off at the moment for 5 days, 4 days now. 5 days yesterday, 4 now. Also, guys, do the mentorship program. If you would like to learn how to read the charts like I do, drop me an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Also, guys, if you want to become a Simply Forex YouTube member, then you can. We've got supporter and gold, and I think that's it. So yeah, you can join that as well, guys, to show your support for the channel, and you get some really cool perks as well. All the information is in the live chat and the video description. Check it out now. It's lit. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, yeah. At this point, sell your own vodka probably will do well. Mikhail, we may sell vodka as well. This is an excellent idea. Mikhail is in charge of anything commercial as part of our channel. Thank you, Mikhail. Right, what are we looking at? New Zealand US dollar, then Euro New Zealand. Because if we look at New Zealand US dollar first, it gives us an idea of Euro New Zealand dollar. So, okay. So we spoke about this in the VIP Discord channel. All right. And on the day chart, yeah, this was the last high. Didn't break. Yeah, and come shooting down. So we have got lower lows, sorry. We're in a downtrend, right? Then price has retraced to this grey zone, okay? And yeah, a couple of guys in the VIP Discord said, I like this level. All right. And I can totally understand why. I wanted to see more of a pullback. Okay. And then potentially I can start entering it. Okay. But what I said, guys, in the VIP Discord was this. Yeah. So on the H4, yeah, we're at this level, which we can clearly see as a nice level. Yeah. We know that much. At this point, we was in a H4 downtrend, but it wasn't making lower lows. All right. And then instead, if we look at structure, yeah, it has made higher lows. Okay. So this is what put me off selling New Zealand US dollar. Okay. And it was obviously a good trade. Yeah. If you were selling up here, you are nicely in profit. So I'm interested in this trade now because it's broken these last lows. Obviously, you're going to find some support here. And again, it'll be interesting to see how it reacts. But if we get a breakthrough here, then, you know, this is just a continuation of trend for me. And I will be interested in New Zealand dollar, US dollar again. Yeah, looking to sell it. But just because of this H4 chart and this, you know, these higher lows that I was seeing, I was a little bit reluctant. I was thinking we could potentially, you know, come a little bit higher. Then we start seeing a breakdown. Okay, but wasn't to be. Started coming down here. So, yeah, I think New Zealand US dollar is a good sell, but you are going to have buyers here. If you sold here, yeah, take some profit here. Yeah, take some profit. Yeah, and then leave some to run in case it breaks. So that's New Zealand US dollar. Now we can look at Euro New Zealand dollar as well. Okay, and Euro New Zealand dollar and just Euro is strong. Let me look at Euro pound. Yeah, good. That's what I want to see. Euro is strong. Okay. Yeah, Euro is strong. So again, there's a weekly level through here. Okay, just looking at the weekly chart, you would buy that. Yeah, clearly. Okay, let's follow structure. Yeah, you would buy this and look at that candle. If, you know, you do not get a more bullish weekly candle than that. Okay, maybe here. All right, but bullish, yeah? Day chart, super duper bullish. All right, and really, so all that is, you know, this is clearly in an uptrend. All right, you know, but is it a little bit overbought? Yes, it is. That is a little bit overbought. But this time, we know we have a level through here where price has reacted many times. And, you know, it looks like this is finding some support here and pushing back up. If the daily candle finished like this, yeah, I would be interested in buying it from here back up to here. And that will still be a good amount of pips. But my only fear with this is with this bearish candle, you know, price breaks down a little bit. And, you know, maybe it wants to catch up with the moving average 20 a little bit. So I want to buy Euro New Zealand dollar. It's just a little bit overbought at the moment. Okay. Yeah. If I brought up, you know, if you want to have a look at an indicator that tells you overbought, oversold, it's the RSI, which, yeah, there you go. So this 70 level up here, this is 50 and this is 30. But if it's up here, it's overbought. All right. So, yeah, there you go, guys. But let's look at H4. Yeah, you know, and there is this last H4 low here. Did that break? Let's have a quick look. That probably just held, you know. Yeah, so this low here didn't quite break, and then we got a nice bullish reaction, okay, out of this grey zone. But there's a H4 level here too. So, yeah, we shall see with Euro New Zealand dollar. But, yeah, looking like a buy trade at the moment, but a little bit too overbought for me. What I did want to show you on this chart, guys, is this, right? Trade this every time. And this could be a swing trade. Yeah, stay in it, right? So when you see this, okay, you see price has been in this. This is the day chart, by the way. This is a daily downtrend. It's been in it for, you know, weeks and weeks. Okay. When we see a daily downtrend not forming lower lows, okay, this tells us that the trend is slowing. All right. Then we get a nice bullish candle off of these lows. Right. So first and foremost, you could be very aggressive here and start buying. Okay. Even if you don't, yeah, don't worry. You will have another opportunity. So price hasn't made lower lows. We're thinking, okay, trend could be changing. We get this bullish candle. And then if you don't get in on that, wait for the break. As soon as we get a break of these highs, yeah, we are off to the races. Yeah, with this candle here, I want to buy the living daylights out of that. Yeah, that is a lit trade. This is my word of the day. Thank you, Sadia, for making me down with the kids today. So yeah, you know, that has broken this high. That is a trade. Yeah. So you want to catch these. I love a daily break when I just catch the change of trend. And at this point, that is where trend has changed. And when you catch them, I mean, look at what you can look at what you can get in terms of pips. You know, it's such a nice place to be there. You know, when this breaks, obviously, you know, I'm still looking for entries on the lower time frames in here somewhere. Yeah, but you just generally buy them. Okay. So there you go. There you go, guys. Right, what else are we looking at? Chandu, did you have a look at Euro Pound? Yes, we did. Yeah. Chandu, you are in the VIP Discord, I believe. You I gave you this trade earlier. Yeah, so we're just trying to carry this on up. There is a little level here that, you know, concerns me a little bit, but, you know, let's see if we can get it back up to these highs. Right, what else are we looking at? Euro Aussie dollar also looks pretty damn nice, and we like pretty damn nice on this show. Okay, we'll have a look at that. I've got a question here. So imaginary, hello Tom, if you were to start trading from scratch, but now you have to do it only on the phone with M4, MT5, will you be successful, or tools play a part in successful journey? I don't care if you enter on your phone. Yeah, so it's an interesting question. All right. So what I need is a chart that I can clearly see and make decisions. So the chart you're looking at now, guys, that is all I need. And that is it. I don't need any, you know, some of these add real value. I don't need like a risk calculator thing. I don't need loads of indicators. Don't need that. Don't need indicators that I need to pay for. Don't need that. What else in terms of tools? Yeah, I don't need anything apart from the chart. And I've got to be able to read it. And you cannot read a chart on a phone. You can push buy or sell on a phone, no problem. I do that sometimes. Yeah. Well, most of the time, to be honest. But you cannot, you need a chart to look at. Yeah, you need the chart to look at. So I use TradingView, and then I just trade using TradingView, not my MT4 account or anything like that, or whatever account you use. I just use TradingView, and that's all I need. So no, you cannot trade on your phone because you cannot see the charts clearly. Okay, but you can enter on your phone, no problem. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, guys, we're going to look at Euro Aussie dollar for CJ. Let's first let's first do this. Yeah, let's celebrate the fact that we have 5,000 subs. Woohoo! Yeah, 5,000 subs, guys. And as a result of that, we are giving you 50% off our yearly VIP Discord, guys. All right, so check it out. There's some links in the live chat. It's also all in the video description. You know, we've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got mentorship program, and we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. All right, so check it all out, and also don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Euro, Aussie dollar, song love, my name is still not green. Editor. We always blame the editor if in doubt. So CJ, yeah, I really like this. Yeah, look at that level. That is a beautiful level. Okay, if we just look at only the day chart, yeah, check that level out. Yeah, not only is it the last swing low, yeah, it's also bouncing off the moving average 20. That is a really nice level. Today, it probably wasn't a trade because you just had such selling pressure. All right. But, you know, if I come back tomorrow and I see this, yeah, I'm interested in Euro, Aussie dollar. Will I take it up to here or up to here? I don't know. Let's look at the weekly chart. Yeah, I'd probably come back up to those daily highs because why? Sorry, you probably want to know why, mate. Because there is a level through here, okay. But if you just look at weekly structure and the fact that we just have bullish, 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 yeah, above the moving average 20, everything is saying to keep buying this, potentially all the way back up to here, okay. So on the day chart, that tells me that I'm, you know, at least happy to take it back up to here. Okay. But this would be TP1 and this will be TP2. And when I say TP, I think of an Indian tent, as in native Indian to America. Anyway, so yeah, I like the idea, CJ. This might be a trade for tomorrow, though. We'll see how this, you know, this daily candle finishes. And what else are we looking at, guys? Yeah, we've looked at Euro Pound. We've looked at that. Guys, what else am I looking at? So that's about it, guys. Yeah, I'm in CAD Yen. Let's take a look at the trades I'm currently in. So I'm still in Euro Pound. Let's have a look at the H4. Okay. So we've still got another 25 minutes before that H4 finishes. I'm not liking the reaction at this level, but, you know, this H4 candle hasn't finished yet. Okay. Yeah, we want to see a bit of, I just want to see a bullish candle. But, you know, even if not, guys, you know, there's this potential to do this. You know, use this as support and then come back up. Okay, but trust in the day chart. The day chart is telling me to buy this. I will buy it. And I'm still in CAD Yen. Yeah, let's have a look at oil, guys, because oil will drive CAD, and oil is not shooting up, but it's coming up. You know, potentially this could come back up to here. So we'll see. We'll see. But CAD Yen. Again, I'm not liking this H4 candle so far. Yeah, I really, if I see this candle, I want to see on this candle, I want to see a wick on it. Yeah, maybe it looks something like this. Yeah, I want to see a top wick on this candle. You know, I don't want to see a full-bodied green candle. If I do, I might take some profit. I'm in profit. I might just take some profit here. Yeah, and leave some profit to run. So we'll see. We'll see how this H4 candle finishes. Right, what else are we... how's your silver trade? So, yeah, we didn't... If I get into it liquid H, I'll put it into the VIP Discord. But the trade was good. You know, it was a good idea. Yeah, you can see price come down to this level. Yeah, and you would have made money on this trade. But if we look at the day chart now on silver, I have no interest in selling into this grey zone. None. Yeah, if anything, I'm looking for buys out of here. Yeah, seems like, I don't really talk about fundamentals. I'm purely a technical trader, and everything you need to know is in the charts. But, we're seeing strength in gold and silver. These are kind of flight to safety because the world has turned to crap. And, we can expect a recession soon, blah, 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 right? All fundamental stuff. But we have clearly seen in gold and silver, we've seen a lot of strength. Look at that bull run. Yeah. And now I'm just looking for price to come back into here. This would be a nice area with the moving average 20, somewhere in here. And then I would look to buy silver back up to these highs, if not further. All right, so that's what I'll be looking for. But obviously, I need to see setups. I'm not just going to trade that. I want the chart to tell me that. And it's the same with gold, guys. Now look at that. Look at that. That, just to make you laugh. Well, not laugh. It's not that funny, but just to make you, that move is 18,502 pips. Yeah, crazy pips. So, look at that move. Okay. And, gold's in between a bit of a rock and a hard place here. We got here and here. But everything is telling us that it could do this, and then bang. Yeah. And this would be a flag. If it did that, just show you a chart pattern, that would be like a flag and pennant. It's like a continuation pattern. So, yeah. That's what I'm seeing with gold and silver. So, Wow Rider, could you please show us how to draw support and resistance levels? Wow Rider, we don't really have time today, but basically all I'm looking for is, and if you do want to know Wow Rider, please come and join the VIP Discord. Yeah, I've got tutorials in there, like more than I know what to do with. We've got strategies, we've got hedging, we've got all my trade ideas. So, guys, if you want to learn, support and resistance, I talk about support and resistance. Yeah, it's one of the tutorials. So, come join the VIP Discord. Yeah, and we got 50% off at the moment because we hit 5,000 subs. I don't know if I've mentioned that. Like every 20 minutes. Yeah, I'll mention it tomorrow as well. And then Saturday, I will shut up about the 5,000 subs. But basically, Wow Rider, I am looking for where has price reacted historically at that level. Yeah, I mean, just look at gold. Yeah, I'm just looking at where has price reacted historically. Okay. Yeah, there. And therefore, when we get to here, we're thinking, oh, this looks very bullish. It might not, react at this level. It reacts. Yeah. Whatever you want to call that, that is a reaction at a resistance level. That's why they're so important. All right. But I'm just looking at where has price reacted historically. I don't want to make them too fat. I want to try and take in as much price action as I can, as many touches, without making it silly fat. And silly fat is also in all the big, good economic books. Yeah, and look, and then we get a reaction. These support and resistance levels, this is what the market structures, this is what the market's based on. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for, Wow Rider. Saman, how many subscribers does the channel have? I'm glad you brought that up. It has 5,000 and something. I'm not sure. Liquid H. Okay, so Liquid H wants to know, all seriousness, daily downtrend. We don't want to buy, right? With silver. Are we talking about silver, Liquid H? Yeah, silver I want to buy, really. Okay, I need to see a few things happen. But silver, yeah, I'm looking to buy. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so silver, I'm looking to buy. I'm not selling into this grey zone. You know, you might have another 300 pips down to the moving average 20, but I just don't want to push my luck. There are historically buyers at this level. So if I know there's buyers at this level, I do not want to sell. Simple as that. All right, guys. And on that note, I'm going to call it a day. All right. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid, guys. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget, we've hit the 5,000 subs. I haven't mentioned it all day. And if you want 50% off the yearly VIP Discord, then you can. It finishes Saturday. So get in on the promotion. And, yeah, have a great trading day, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow.